Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog channel. So, let me have a seat. The lighting's not going to be great, but as you all know, it's my vlog channel, so I just wanted to give you guys like a little life update, kind of show you my room a little bit and like things I want to change and things I want to do, and just kind of chat because I don't really have anything else to put up for this week. So, Kimber's adjusting very well. She's so sweet. We've been going on runs with her every morning and she loves it. The only problem is, like, she runs fine, but when we walk her, she tugs really bad. Well, hello. She tugs really bad and she kind of lunges at dogs and barks. She's very gentle. She would never hurt anyone. Let me put a microphone on this. Does the sound better? I don't know. So if you have any tips to like help your dog not lunge, she's such a turd. If you guys, okay. She always lays like this. If anyone else's dog lay like that, it's kind of funny. So if you have any tips to help lunging dogs, let me know. I've tried using treats to distract. I've tried everything. I think I'm gonna start trying to walk her around the house and teach her that way, and then maybe move to the backyard where there's less distractions, and then maybe around the neighborhood, and then maybe I'll take her to the park after that. But that takes so much patience and time. So if you have any tips, let me know. We just switched her to like more natural treats. We switched her food. Her belly wasn't really liking the last food she was on, so we switched her food up. So she's been doing good, and she loves having a backyard here, which is super awesome. I get a lot of questions about like where I'm living, where I'm going to be living, all of that. So I'll kind of just chat. If you don't care, then I guess don't watch. But so yeah, like I said, the move went really well. We moved into my mother's house, and there was a lot of reasons for it. We could have our own place, and I wouldn't mind having our own place. That'd be super awesome. But my mom offered for us to stay with her, with the kids and Jeremy, and me and Jeremy talked it over when we were thinking about what to do. And with getting married next year and going through the baby steps of, I don't know if you're familiar with Dave Ramsey, but we're going through his baby steps to become debt free. And we just have some other upcoming bills, just some things that we just like want to be really smart with our money. So while we have the opportunity, we want to really hustle, not blow our money, and just like grow our savings account and also pay off a lot of debt. So that's why we made that decision, amongst other things. We moved back to Indiana just so it'd be easier on the kids, and I mean the whole family. It would be easier on us, and it was just right now at this time in our lives, it'd be nice to be around family. So that's why we moved back, and I did love Savannah. I've said this before, I love it. I would move back someday, but for the point in my life that I'm in right now, it is nice to be back home. So we're actually, Jeremy, I've been living back here for a few weeks now. Jeremy is moving back officially next week, and we just got that call because it was all like, the whole pilot industry is so complicated, but if you know anything about, it's so hard to explain. There's like a list of seniority. You bid for the location you want, and it goes, let's say there's 5 people bidding for a certain location. It goes in order of seniority. So when that person leaves that's already there, the next person in line gets to go there. So he was bidding for this place in Indiana, and he just got the bid award. So he gets to move up, which is so awesome. It's been like kind of rough here without him. We were long distance before, but I'm just not used to being this far away from him. And then we've had some personal family things going on that's just been kind of hard. And I don't know, I'm just so excited for him to come back. He's literally my best friend. I love when he's here. So I'm really excited for him to come home. Kimber, no. She's eating her toy. No, that's not okay. And now your belly's gonna hurt. So I'm starting to get in a little bit of a routine. Every day's been so different, it's kind of been hard to. And I have the room pretty much done. We're not gonna really buy a bunch of stuff. We do wanna get the kids' bunk beds for here. So we wanna buy that. And then I bought this end table from one of my, I guess, colleagues or just someone I work with. She's selling some furniture, so she sold me the nightstand. So there's still things I want to change around maybe and move or something, but for now it looks really good. So maybe I'll show you guys a little bit of what it looks like. All right, so the sound might be a little weird. I just flipped the microphone backwards. I have this little door hanging thing. I don't love my towels and robe here, but it just kind of works. Jeremy got this for me several years ago. I love it. It was such a special gift. And then my little plants from Georgia. I love my plants. This is a ZZ plant. It grows so easily. It's awesome. Like, if you are horrible with plants or a beginner, this is a great one. And I think I want to, these all have their own little root. So I think I might depot some of them and put them in a new pot. They just grow so well. And my aloe vera is thriving. We're getting a new little guy back here. I have some oils. So this is my mom's. And it's not completely organized how I would like it. These are obviously toiletries and whatnot, but it's just kind of all like jumbled in there. I don't know. I'd like to organize it a little better. I left this one empty for Jeremy. He gets a drawer, I guess. Sorry, the lens is like on autofocus. Should I turn that off? Okay, turn autofocus off. So if it gets blurry, my bad. This is all stuff that would like belong in a filing cabinet or like a desk, but the desk is actually my vanity. So anything like desk or office related would be in here or in that drawer up there. And this is the Kimber section. Don't love the red bed, but that's the one Jeremy got. So it's just gonna have to work for now. And this is her little bin. Also kind of a mess, but it just keeps her toys, her treats, leash, anything like that. That goes in there. And this is her little food section. This was the nightstand that I was using, but now it's just housing some dying flowers. And these photographs are so beautiful. Aloha Kelly took them. I have a whole vlog about it. I'll have that down below for you guys, but she took amazing pictures of us and at the Wormslow Historic Site in Savannah. They turned out beautiful, so they worked out really good here. I don't watch TV, but we are gonna mount a TV we have up here, just so like if we do decide to have like a date night in, we can watch a movie. This was the nightstand I got, and I was thinking about refinishing it to kind of match the stool color and like the lights and the mirrors and stuff. Lights, I just mean mirrors. But I don't know. Yeah, I think that'll come in the future. I don't know. I like the nightstand a lot. I also wanted to get a lamp, but this light actually turns on. So I've kind of just been using that as a lamp. So I don't know if that's in my future or not. I honestly love this little section of my room. It's just so me. We do have a king size bed, which was kind of hard to figure out. So we just kind of shoved it in the corner just to create more space over here. And both of the pictures are from Hobby Lobby. I made the dream catcher. This is like where I keep my makeup and such. So like these drawers are completely disorganized. I'll have to do a organizing video or something about that in the future. This drawer's kind of disorganized. I've been using a lot more drugstore makeup lately just to kind of fit our budget a little bit better. So one of the next videos on my main channel is going to be KonMari organizing the dresser because it's all a jumbled mess. Like, this drives me nuts. Like, I haven't had my drawers like this in years. Well, that's a little dramatic. Well, yeah, probably years. And then eventually, sometime this summer, we want to completely refinish this. It comes in a set, so there's another one. We're gonna replace the hardware. I'm not really sure what color I wanna do yet, so give me some opinions down below. You kind of have seen my style a little bit. And then all camera equipment is also in here. So I need to find some good storage solutions for that. And most of these are my clothes, so I'm thinking maybe a declutter soon would be good. I like the simplicity. I don't really love the dog cage in there, but she has to stay in our room. Not my favorite look. It's still kind of a little cluttered to me over here. So I'm gonna have to do something about that. Even the walls are like a lot more cluttered than I would normally do. But I wanted to hang everything up. So that's my dilemma. So this is our room right now. So once I get like the room set up a little better, I think I'll do a complete room tour eventually on my main channel. I just wanted to give you guys a little life update, see where we're at, kind of explain a little bit more of like why we moved and like what's going on with that. So we'll probably be here for quite a while. We will be here for quite a while. Yeah, if you have any other questions, let me know. And maybe leave something positive. Something that'll make me smile. Because I kind of need that in my life right now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned next week. I post on this channel every Wednesday and on my main channel every Monday and Friday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. And I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys.